Hey y'all, Dealership Adventures back today with a new auction video. Today we're going to be attending an auction online, bidding on cars, seeing if we can get something. And you see, this is an online auction. In person, these lanes would be there, there'd be 7, 8 different lanes. You would just walk through them. But now we have to monitor it on a screen. We have to see which lane is open. We have to monitor what cars are coming through this lane. And we have to monitor the other lanes as well, seeing, oh my God, I have a car on this lane that's coming. I have a car on this lane that's coming. And I got a bid on it. How much am I going to bid on it? What's wrong with it? Have I even looked at it? All this type of stuff. So today, join me at an auction and see how I find a car. And hopefully we buy something today, right? Come on, let's see what's happening. So the question becomes, what lanes do we bid on? There's only so many lanes we can open up on a computer. So let me show you how we decide what lanes are good. Look at this. So what we have here is a list of all these lanes, A, AA, B, D, E, F, and we can see these sellers. Group 1 Automotive, this is Nash Chevrolet. Chevrolet dealership is selling these. Enterprise is selling these. But Dealer Avenue is any private dealer like me. I could literally run my car through this. So we have to stay away from Dealer Avenue cars. We can concentrate on Enterprise. I bought a lot of cars from Enterprise. Look, and that's Houston now. But look, Chrysler Capital, American Credit Acceptance, these are all very, very good sellers. And these are what we're going to try buying from USA Auto Finance, Hertz Remarketing, all that. So let's see what we get today. What does a multi-lane auction look like online? Well, we have 1 lane, 2 lanes, 3 lanes, and 4 lanes. And now, we gotta watch. See, look, and it gives me a notification every single time one of my watched cars is coming up. See, this 2000 Honda Accord is about to come up, or it's coming up right, it's running right now. But look at the miles. And here's the thing, I haven't seen any of these cars. This is red light. Y'all see this? It's as is. So now bidding on this is really risky, $700. I mean, it's worth $1,000 if it's perfect, So if you're bidding $800 plus fees, and you have no idea whether it's perfect or not, you really don't want to risk that. But on different cars, lower miles, a little bit newer, stuff like that we can bid on today because they have really good condition reports. And we're going to get into that too in a few minutes. But yeah, so far the auction just started. Let's see if we get anything. So there's this Nissan Titan coming up, and I really love these trucks. So let's see how much this goes for. Hold on. I want to get it for under $3,000. This is already starting expensive. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Hold on. Yeah, and it's gone too expensive. I mean, if I bid $3,000. Yeah, there we go. It's already past my budget, and I would have bid again, right? But the thing is, there was so little bidding activity at the beginning. It's like someone knew something was wrong with the truck. So I mean, let's see what happens. And they sold for $3,100. We have an Aston Martin being sold today. Look at this. It's a 2009 Aston Martin Vantage with 2.6 auto grade. Well, look, let's see if anyone even bids. Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna bid. Ain't no one got money like that. And plus, exotic cars like this, it was a no sale. Exotic cars like this have really dropped down in value. There's no more demand for it anymore because simply there's just not enough money anymore in rotation. A whole bunch of these cars, so I've been watching a whole bunch of videos on YouTube. They went to a whole bunch of auctions. These exotic cars are selling for way underneath what they should be going for right now, if they're even selling. And that's because there's not that much of a public demand for it anymore. Not many people are buying, but just cheap cars have gotten expensive. So I mean, if that makes any sense. The reason we just haven't been seeing much action in this auction is because look at this. Do y'all see this? No sale, 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 no sale. Everywhere you see, they just aren't selling it. There's just very, very few cars up. This wasn't on an if, no sale, no sale, no sale, no sale, no sale. They're literally not even selling their cars because today the prices are actually kind of low. But now it's just like they just refuse to sell it. They know they can get more, and now they're just not letting their cars go. So this is an interesting situation. I mean, it's happened sometimes, but now, it's weird. Like, even if you're bidding high enough on a car, you're not going to get it anymore. And so, let's see what happens. There's a few more cars left, and I'll show you all me bidding on them. And let's see if we get something. Let's give it one last try, because the auction's about to be over. So it's really been one dead auction. Most of these cars that have not been getting sold, and the rest of these cars that have been coming, I don't even want to bid on them. So I guess today was a failed auction, but not really failed necessarily. It's just, honestly, in this market, it's better not to get a car than it is to get a car. Because, like, honestly, with the way prices are going, if you end up getting a deal, there's a high chance that car is messed up, and that's the only reason you got a deal. Because, look, even these sellers won't sell it. If a seller is selling you a car for a really low price, and he's willing to do that, then that means he knows there's something wrong with it. So, it's better that I don't get anything than I get something that I'm stuck with forever. Well, not forever, but So yeah, I guess, we're going to continue searching for cars, hunting, and we'll get back to you soon. If y'all enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank y'all. So it's after the auction now, and now we got to get a car ready for sale again. And this time, look, it does have a tire pressure light on it. You'd be going like, oh, you just need some air, right? Whatever. But no. On top of the tire pressure light, it rides a little rough. It feels like it's shaking and everything. And I inspected the tires. 3 tires looked really good. 1 tire had like a really shaved outer end. It was completely bald. And sometimes that alone can make the ride so harsh. And just a new tire, even 1 new tire, could change the ride a lot. And make this car ride that much better and make the customer that much more happier, right? So today we're gonna go get this tire replaced and see if it affects our drive. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at this. You see how there's tread here? And then there's no tread over here. Everything's completely bald. And that's why when the outer edge gets worn like that, the tire's structure gets compromised. And we gotta make sure that, the car rides good and is reliable for the next person that buys it. So we're going to get a new one. So we got the tire replaced and everything, and now the car drives so much better. We're about to take it to the lot tomorrow, and we're gonna get a dealership tour out soon, and we're gonna have more content coming. Next week we're gonna actually have a walker out of the auction, because we're gonna go in person to check these cars out, and then we're gonna actually buy with some sort of confidence. So if y'all enjoy this content, if you guys want me to keep making more, please comment, like, share. This is how y'all show me that you guys enjoyed it, so I know to continue moving forward, what type of content to make. It really helps me out. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.